Guys, Joey Hill. This is ceiling fan destruction number 3. I'm destroying this Kmart fan, but I will be saving some parts of it. Why? It blows absolutely zero air. So let's get started. I'm gonna take one swing with this to see how much damage it does. The light kit has been saved from it. I'll be putting this on another fan. Jesus Christ. Have mercy on it. Jeez. This. What happened? Gosh. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, what the freak? Well, there goes that one. I'm gonna have to get in this clip. 1 minute, I'll be right back, fellas. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go get my weapon now. I'm back. No! 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 I sliced it in half! So that's how we play? That's how we play? That's good. I'm being scared test, but it's being fast. Dang! Oh crap. Fix that. Now, so that I can actually spin. What the? What am I doing to this thing? Oh my god. Oh my. Dang, this blade's strong, I guess. Okay, strong boy. Dang. Dude, not a single one survived. No, I can't get over that. Slash that boy right in half. Ding, ding. Alright. Now I gotta clean up this mess. Oh crap, this was the only surviving one. It's the actually only surviving one. It just flew off the blanket, I guess. Jesus, have some mercy on that fan, though. Huh. Screw that thing up. In fact, just for the record, I might hang it back up. Dude. Well, that does it. Dang, I'm even get some chains up here, too. I did lots of violence. Well, that does it, guys. Peace. My case saved that. W case. But anyways, peace.